before going to start the class, I would request one more thing, which is how you can write your SQL query and where you will write your SQL query, right? So there are basically two easy method for you all. One is you can write your code online, which is from livesql.com. There you just registered yourself and you will get this kind of interface. Here you can easily get the HR schema and Scott schema and all, right? So wait, let me show you. Uh, this is very useful, guys, because in this pandemic time, many of you are not having the access of your computer, but definitely you have the access of your phone. So using phone also you can connect and you can write some SQL code. So you can see here many of the schemas are available which you will get after installing the Oracle software, right? As a test schema. Along with that, you will get one schema which is called my schema, where you will whatever object you will create, it will be over there. So here only one thing you need to know. Let's say for example I am going to select HR schema. So whatever be the tables available in HR schema, you can easily see, right? So let's say for example employees table, right? So for if you want to access the employees table, then you need to write a query something like HR dot employees. Then only you will be able to access these table. Wait, let me show you. Let me open my SQL worksheet so that I can show you. A bit slow because first time it is taking some time. Yeah. So let me show you HR dot. Sorry. So you can see you will get all the data. So you need not to install your Oracle software or anything like that. You just simply register yourself and you will get the entire HR schema. Okay. So this thing you can do it. Okay. And the another method is your you can install your Oracle inside your VMware. Basically, Oracle provides the ISO version of Oracle, and which you just simply download it from Oracle site, and you just click on new and you just attach that file and install it, and you simply click on start and something like this you will get it after installation. So basically here everything is getting installed, and here you just simply go to your SQL developer, or in this window you can simply log in and you can write it down your SQL codes, right? So wait, let me show you. Yeah, so you are logged in into the HR schema. So here let's say for example select star from dual. So you can see you can access the HR schema as well. The same schema which have uh, shared here, right? So let me write it down the same query here as well, so that you can get. Wait, let me do some modification in the query, like row num less than equals to 5, so that list number of record you can see, right? So you can see the output, you won't get it in that much readable format, but definitely if you use the SQL developer, then same kind of output you can expect, right? So before going to start the class, I would request you choose any one of the environment, whichever is comfortable for you, right? So I think you are good to go with the online version of SQL Live. So I would say you please register this site, and so that we can continue the classes, right? So you just choose any one of the environment, so that whatever be the code I will write, you can do also the hands-on, so that you can learn as much as you can, because SQL is all about your doing hands-on, right? So as much as you do hands-on, you will get more confident in your SQL, right? So, so I would request you choose the platform, you registered it or you download it and install it. During installation in VMware, or any problem in registering yourself in Oracle site, if you face any problem, you please get back to me. Definitely, I will help you out in that. Okay.